Welcome back to our channel. In the last class, we treated data separation and I showed us how we can separate this full name given in just one column and spread it across these two columns, maintaining its row. I explained that there are two methods to which we can do this. The text to column wizard, which was fully discussed in the last class. The second method is what we will treat today. It is called FlashFill. FlashFill is the same thing as saying Control E. This method is generally, perceived to be a cheat among Excel users because you don't have to do any work. All you need to do is just to come to the empty cell where you want to fill, you want to separate the two words of the full name into and write the first word in it. Let's say Alison, for example. Ensure that it is spelled the same way it is spelled on the column that has the full name. Deselect and come back to select, then press Ctrl E. What can you see? You will see that Excel by itself has filled the column with the first word that appear, or that appear on the row. And we have Alison, Alvarado, Anderson, Andrew, and so on, being the first word that appear in the set of name on the staff name column. You will do the same thing to the last name. We have Timothy. Ensure it is spelled the same way the word is spelled on the column that has full name. Deselect and come back to select and press Ctrl E. You will see that the same thing has happened and you have successfully separated the full name Alison Timothy into different columns. Alison first name, Timothy last name. The beautiful thing about FlashFill is that it does not only separate text or words, you can also use it to join words together. Let's come to this spreadsheet. I have first name, last name, and initial, and I want to combine them together to have a complete full name, Mark Baker, and the initial T. All I need to do using FlashFill is to write it the same way it is, Mark, put the space, Baker, put the space, and write capital letter T and the full stop. Right? Deselect and select just the same way we did in separating data, and press Ctrl E. What can you see? It has also come to join the text together. That is a beautiful thing about data separation. Is this very useful? It is short and quick and can get you your result as early as you want to get it. If this is useful to you, don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on your notification to receive notifications, the notifications of tutorials whenever we drop them on this channel.